Welcome to Mishna. Salem Shevuot Perek Dal Mishnah Vav. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss cases where a person swears about monetary matters, right? So, and it's a case specifically where, if it's proven to be true, he'd be able to get money from the opposite party, right? And we'll see what the cases are. Mashpi'ani alechem im lo tavo'u ut'iduni. I'm making you swear if you don't come and testify for me. Sheyesh li biad ploni nezek, right? That I have some damages that I need to collect from so and so, or v'hatzi nezek, or half nezek, tashlume kefil, right? Stolen objects he stole from me and he has to pay me back twice. Tashlume arba'a v'chamisha, right? For a sheep or an ox, if it's stolen and slaughtered, you have to pay back 4 and 5 times. She'anas ish peloni, right? He raped, or pitat biti, or seduced my daughter. Sheikani beni, my son hit me. V'shechaval bi haveri, right? My friend was chovel bi, right? Bruised me. Shidlik et kedishi b'yom kippurim, or he lit my haystack on Yom Kippur. So he ruined my stole, right? Basically burned my items. All these people will be hayab. Okay, now Rambam points out everything over here that they're going to be hayab for. If it's true, he'd be able to collect money, right, from the opposing party. But we're only allowed to collect money if it's a monetary collection and not a fine. Okay, if it's a penalty fine from the Torah, then this wouldn't count. You wouldn't be hayav for Shevuot ha'edut. Okay, so now we're going to have to redefine some of these. Right? When we say we're testifying on the edut of Hatzi Nezek, right? Harambam is posek that's considered a fine. So we have to set it up in a case of tzirorot. Right? Hatzi Nezek tzirorot, which that's a case of where you have to pay, and it's more not a penalty fine, but that's what really what you owe. Right? It's considered mammon. Also paying back double or 4 or 5 times, it's because of the keren. Right? In case of when it happened from a case of keren. Right? From a case of keren, or anas ipeloni upita bito, right? If or a case of rape or a seduction, what are you paying for? You're paying for boshet because of the boshet and the pgam, right? For the embarrassment, right, or the actual damage, or let's say the case where someone hit, a kid hit his father, okay. It has to be in a case where he's not hayab mita, because he's going to be hayab mita, he's not going to have to pay, right? So it has to be a case where he's not hayab mita. Where would be a case where he's not hayab mita? If he didn't make it black and blue, he didn't bruise him, right? So all these cases would be cases where there is only mammon, right? There's only a monetary payment, such as boshet or a tsa'ar, right? Embarrassment, right? As we explained in the 8th perek of Baba Kama, and that's why they would be hayav, right? They would be hayav for Shevuot ha'edut if they violate and they don't come and testify.